Magandang buhay! Welcome to MATHtuto with Teacher Jacq.
Visualizing numbers up to 100,000. Math 4, Quarter 1, Week 1, Learning Competency 1. Let's have a review. Identify the place value of each digit in this number. So we have here 13,792. What is the place value of 2? Ones. What is the place value of 9? Tens. What is the place value of 7? Hundreds. What is the place value of 3? Thousands. And for the last one, what is the place value of 1? 10,000s. To start our lesson, let us all read this. Mang Tomas sold 23,476 kilograms of rice last week. Can you imagine how big is 23,476? One way you can imagine is to think of discs to represent each number in 23,476. We have here 23,476. Let us use this table to draw discs to represent these numbers. First, let us label each column with the correct place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now let us start to draw some discs to represent each digit in this number. Okay, so from 23,476, what digit is in the ones place? Correct, it is 6. So let us put 6 discs under ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 ones, or simply 6 times 1 is equal to 6. Under the tens column, we have 7. So let us draw 7 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 7 tens. 7 times 10 is equal to 70. Under the place value of hundreds, we have digit 4. Let us draw 4 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. 4 times 100 is equal to 400. Under the place value of thousands, we have digit, correct, digit 3. So let us draw 3 discs under thousands place. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 thousands, or 3 times 1,000 is equal to 3,000. And then the last place value is 10,000s. We have digit 2. So we will draw 2 discs. 1, 2. 2 10,000s is equal to 20,000s. So if you are going to add 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 6, the answer is 23,476. Another way to represent numbers is by using blocks, cubes, flats, rods, logs, and units. 1 unit is equal to 1 square. 1 rod is equal to 10 squares, or 1 tenths. Simply, 1 times 10. A total of 10 squares in 1 rod. Next is 1 flat is equal to 10 rods, or simply means 10 tens, equivalent of 100 squares. And then the last one is 1 block is equal to 10 flats, or 10 hundreds. 10 times 100 is equal to 1,000. So 1,000 squares in 1 block. Let us answer the activity 1. Here is the direction. What number is represented by this number disk? Write your answer on the space provided below the disk. Follow the format used in the discussion. Are you done? Let us check your answers. So for first column, which is the ones, let us count the disk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So therefore, we have 9 ones. 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Next, we have 4 tens. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. Then in the hundreds place value, we have how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 hundreds. Total of 500. And then in the thousands place, we have 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 and then thousands, or 3 times 1,000, a total of 3,000. And then the last one in the 10,000s place, we have 1 10,000s. So 1 times 10,000 is equal to 10,000. And then if you are going to add all these numbers, 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 9, we have a total of 13,549. For activity number 2, what number is represented by this number disk? Write your answer on the space provided below the disk. Follow the format used in the discussion. Are you done? Okay, let us check your answers. So under one's place value, we have how many disks? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 ones. So 7 times 1, 7. Under the tens place value, we have 6 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. In hundreds place value, we have how many disks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write 8 hundreds. 8 times 100 is equal to 800. And here in thousands place value, we have how many disks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5 thousands. 5 times 1,000, a total of 5,000. And in 10,000s place value, we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 10,000s is equal to 30,000. 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 7 is equal to 35,867. Let's do the activity number 3. Draw number disks to represent the given number and write the total per column. Follow the format used in our discussion. Are you done? Okay, let us check your answers. So we will draw disk in each place value. Okay, so what digit is in the ones place? Correct, it is 3. So therefore, we will draw 3 disks here in the ones place value. So 1, 2, 3. And then we will write 3 ones. So 3 times 1 is equal to 3. And then on the next column is the tens place value. So we have 4. We will draw 4 disks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we will write 4 tens. 4 times 10, 40. And then to the next column, which is the hundreds place value, we have 5. We will draw 5 disks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we will write 5 hundreds. 5 times 100, a total of 500. And then in the thousands place, we have 1, 2. Why 2 only? Because the digit in thousands place value is 2. And then under here, we will write 2 thousands. So 2 times 1,000, a total of 2,000. And then for the last one, we have 1 here in 10,000 place value. So we will write 1 disk of 10,000. And then write 1 10,000s. 1 times 10,000 is equal to 10,000. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video lesson.